The equipment includes digital twin, cloud platform, means management system, integrated industrial robot, CNC system, PLC, AGV, industrial vision and other systems to achieve network construction, process adjustment, bit optimization, data monitoring, and other functions. Modular design supports multiple process combinations such as workpiece processing, assembly, inspection, and warehousing. In line with the trend of industry technology evolution, can systematically cultivate trainees' equipment operation, process innovation, production line optimization, and digital monitoring capabilities, suitable for skills training, competition and appraisal needs of vocational and technical schools, applied undergraduate courses, corporate training centers, and other related courses and occupations, meet the requirements of industrial robot technology, CNC technology, mechatronics technology, electrical automation technology, intelligent control technology, and other majors, such as programmable controller technology, industrial robot application, system integration, CNC processing programming and operation, intelligent vision technology application, digital twin and virtual debugging technology application, intelligent production line control system integration, and other courses, providing compound technical talents for the digital transformation of the manufacturing industry.